Hello everyone. Let's learn some simple daily used words. Namma, our, hoovu, flower, ahara, food, chitte, butterfly, purrane, the sound when the bird flies. A bird which sits and suddenly flies, that sound is called purrane. Dose, dosa, anda, beautiful, durake, far, rajya, state, akshara, letter, uyyale, swing, tindaru, they ate, hattu, climb, bandare, if I come, vidyarthi, student, ಒಂಬತ್ತು, 9, ನಾಲ್ಕು, 4, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ, simply, ಸಿಹಿ, sweet, ಹುಡುಗ, boy, ಬಣ್ಣ, color, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿ, female teacher, ಅಹಿಂಸೆ, non-violence, ಮುಟ್ಟಲು, touch, ಅಳು, cry, ಎರಡು, 2, ಮಕ್ಕಳು, children, ತಟ್ಟನೆ, at once, ತಮ್ಮ, younger brother, ಜೇನು, honey, ಕತ್ತೆ, donkey, ಪೋರಿ, naughty girl, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ, everyday, ಚಂದ, beautiful, ಓಡುವೆ, run, ಕಪ್ಪೆ, frog, ಬಸ್ಸು, bus, ಅಕ್ಕ, elder sister, ಗುಟ್ಟು, secret.